Hey, this is Joey with Down to Earth Trailers, or Best Trailers, not Down to Earth. Sorry, this is a Down to Earth trailer, but this is Joey with Best Trailers. We're in Byron, Georgia. Here we have a 7x16 Down to Earth dump trailer. It's got a couple new features here we're going to show you, but this is the powder coated red version of it. It has a spare tire on it. Spare tire is an optional feature. We can get you that, or we can get it without the spare tire. But this is a 7x16, 4-foot walls, 14,000 pound GVW. You have a tarp up front that'll come standard on the 7x14 models. You got a twin cylinder lift underneath. The toolbox and the jack up front. The jack is a 10,000 pound drop leg jack. And the paint is a powder coated paint. Down to Earth uses all powder coating on their paint. In the toolbox, you've got it's a pump, hydraulic pump. It's hydraulic power up and power let down. There's an onboard battery charger. You can plug it into an extension cord there. All the 4-foot wall models will come with the barn door style gates. They swing all the way around, have hooks on the sides, hold them while you're dumping. And on the inside, you'll have 4 D-rings, one in each corner. There's slide out ramps underneath the trailer. They're 6-foot slide out ramps, cleated. You hook them onto the back there. Load your Bobcat. On the back here, this is a new feature. They have the stabilizer jacks. Give you a little bit extra support when you're loading your Bobcat. Takes the weight off that back axle. And again, this is a 7x16 down to earth dump trailer, 14,000 pound GVW.